Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 11th of July. And first of all, national news. India, Austria ready to provide support to restore peace in Ukraine. PM Modi. Ready to work together on border issues. Chinese Foreign Minister to Ajit Doval. Search operation for terrorists behind army convoy. Ambush entered day 3. 24 detained. Border forces recovered 126 drones, seized drugs near India-Pak border in Punjab. Border police personnel seized over 100 kg of gold in Ladakh, arrested two people. CJY DY Chandrachud questioned the quality of lawyers who failed to meet the cut-off. Om Birla to lead Indian parliamentary delegation to BRICS forum in Russia. Indians traveled close to 1,000 cities in 68 countries in a year, a report said. Now, some international news. 60% of Hamas fighters dead or wounded, Israel Defense Minister. AI startups, green energy, PM Modi discussed with Austrian Chancellor. Connected by shared values, commitment to better planet, PM Modi in Austria. Israeli army is urging everyone in Gaza city to leave amid offensive. Relationship of trust begin in 1950s. Austrian chancellor on ties with India. Massive 125 million year old herbivorous dinosaurs fossil found in England. Now some sports news. Surya Kumar Yadav finally broke silence on controversy over T20 World Cup final catch. Hardik Pandya to lead India in T20 internationals versus Sri Lanka. Lionel Messi said he is enjoying last battles for Argentina. Surya Kumar Yadav failed to regain number one spot in T20 international batting ranking. And now news related to business. Center want liberalize foreign direct investment in tobacco sector. Minister. Center may guarantee 50% of last drawn salary as pension under NPS, a report said. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the Union Budget 2024 on July 23. Ahead of Union Budget, PM Modi to meet economists on Thursday. Now, news related to science. Living in poverty could be causing mental illnesses, a study said. Stars aligning as Indo-US space partnership reach new orbit. UNVO. NASA's new telescope aimed to detect alien life on Earth like planets by 2050. And that's all in news. Thank you.